Hey, welcome back to our channel. In this video I want to show you how to save GIF from X on iPhone. So let's go to X application and let me go to any kind of GIF on X. Let me find it. So let it be this one. So the process of downloading of saving GIF to your iPhone gallery depends on if you have your X premium subscription or not. So navigate the post that you want to download, the GIF that you want to download, and under it I want to tap this share icon, and here from the list of options you want to go to download option. And if you have your subscription, the GIF will appear in your iPhone gallery as a video. But if you do not have a premium subscription like I do, then the process for you will be a little bit more complicated, because we will now use third-party tool. Again, tap this share icon and select copy link. Now I'm gonna go to my browser and you want to search Twitter video downloader, and please open this link. Let's go here. Now you want to insert the link that you have copied in this field and press download button. Now I'm gonna select the format that I want to have. Please be careful with those advertisements, and press download button finally. Now at the bottom side of the screen, let's go to downloads, and if you tap on this video you will see it in your files application. And if you want to save it to the gallery, you need to open this GIF and tap this share icon in the bottom right and select option save video. Now if I'm going to my photos, to my gallery, this is the GIF that I have saved from X. So that's it. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please like it and subscribe to our channel to see more content like this.